The market theme Dalal Street bulls still remain complacent as the escalating Middle East crisis is yet to be fully priced into equities. We say so because WTI crude is back at $92 a barrel. With critical oil supply routes under threat, the macro risks are rising fast. Please note, crude has gained nearly 20% this month as tensions between the US and Iran intensified, with President Trump dismissing the prospect of near-term negotiations. Our call of the day: Nifty is likely to trade cautiously as lingering US-Iran tensions continue to threaten oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz. Long story short, caution should remain the buzzword during any excessive early intraday strength. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Thursday's drifting session, FII sold to the tune of Rs 2399 crores while DIIs too turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2947 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain negative for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty appears headed for massive long unwinding. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 13.48 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, was trading firm near 96.66 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 0.68 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.69. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.52. Midcap Nifty is at 0.74. Nifty outlook: any intraday rally is likely to hit the brakes. Stay light on leveraged long positions and remain nimble. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,870. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,600 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,600 and 24,000. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 76,391. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 75,750 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 77,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,000 to 76,500. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 56,592. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 55,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,827 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,000 and 57,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. Breaking news: Brent hits $100. Brent crude has crossed $100 per barrel, posing a major threat to India through higher inflation, a wider current account deficit, rupee weakness and reduced RBI rate cut hopes. Equity impact: vertical bar negative, as India imports over 80% of its crude requirements. Potential beneficiaries: vertical bar, ONGC and Oil India. Sectors likely to outperform: none. Sectors likely to underperform: oil marketing companies, aviation, paints and chemicals, tires and auto, logistics. Stocks to watch: positive bias ONGC, Oil India, TVS Motors, Titan, Manappuram. Negative bias Indigo, Adani Ports, DR. Reddy's Laboratories, Trent, BDL, HPCL, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Infosys, BPCL, Maruti, TMPV. Number Q1 FY27 earnings today, Friday, 24th July. Bank of Baroda, Shriram Finance, REC, Hindustan Zinc, SAIL, Jindal Steel, CG Power, Loyroos Labs, Container Corporation, Apar Industries, Welspun Corp.